Welcome to Cheeseburgers of the World, where we travel the globe tasting burgers all around the globe, but now we're focusing on the Americas, region to region. And this one's absolutely one of my favorites because it's the North Carolina Coleslaw Burger. I'm from North Carolina, and of course, it's had to be my favorite. So let's get to making this bad boy, and let's talk about the Carolina Burger. So this burger was created in Carolina because we love our coleslaw, we love our barbecue, and coleslaw and barbecue goes together. So somebody had a slick idea of making a coleslaw burger, and it's absolutely amazing. You can actually find it on Wendy's menu in the Carolinas. It's a very local classic that everyone loves. So you might ask, why does this guy know so much about burgers? Well, I'll tell you. I've been eating burgers for the last 3 years across both Americas, North and South America, Central America, all around. With my discovery, I found that I love burgers so much, I just decided to open up a burger restaurant. By even eating all these different burgers in different regions, I found the really, really cool concept of just having a good, tasty burger. Everyone has something different, like Carolina Burger, the Slug Burger. You got the sliders from New Hampshire or New Jersey. So everyone has a different burger, and it's really cool. So I did that research so I could open my restaurant. I sell a bunch of different type of burgers, mainly the smash patty. I love a smash patty. It's one of the best burgers that you can buy. Super delicious and amazing. Like, so now right here, I'm making the coleslaw. The coleslaw is something in America that's widely known, but in the South, everyone knows about the coleslaw. It goes in everything, especially like beef, pork, fish, a side dish. Absolutely incredible. So mayonnaise, some brown sugar, some acid. I got some vinegar there. These recipes are Carolina classics that absolutely make you hungry for more. So this burger right here is something that I've had over and over and over again. But of course, I've eaten over 250 burgers. So good. The burger itself is flavorful. Then the coleslaw has a vinegar in it, has lemon in it, has mayonnaise, which is nice and creamy. You can add pepper, paprika, chili powder, cumin, and which I'm gonna add here. You can add this also to the chili. So this right here, I'll put this right to the side, get my buns toasted, right on the grill. You gotta keep an eye on these buns. These cast iron skillets are super hot. Make sure you get a nice sear on that. So I'll put my coleslaw here, put it on the side, get that ready to go, and I'll make my balls of beef while I'm toasting the bread. For my restaurant, my burgers are basically a smash burger. I do have a chili cheeseburger on the menu, which is absolutely incredible, super good. It's one of the, I guess, the fan faves. They like the chili cheeseburger. It's something that you don't see a lot on a lot of menus. Look at that. Okay, I got a nice sear on it. And so this is almost just like a chili cheeseburger, but it has the coleslaw, that Carolina style coleslaw. So these patties, I'll put a little salt on it. I'll put this on the actual cutting board this time. I've done other burgers where you put the salt on the grill, but there's gonna be some salt in the coleslaw and some salt on the bun, salt in the burger. You don't wanna get too salty. There you go. Let that cook for a little while. Add some oil here. And get these bad boys ready to go. So Carolina Burger, and you guys may know, there's two different types of barbecue sauces in the Carolinas. There's a wet, there's a dry. The vinegar is a very popular one, and that's what people eat the coleslaw with a lot, is the vinegar style barbecue. Gonna get the smash going. Oh, look at that. You hear that? So nice. When you smash your burgers, what you're looking for is the fat. You see all the fat in here starting to cook off, and you'll start to create some holes. That fat will render and go into the pan and create more. So you get all this amazing fat on your burger. That's what we're looking for. Gives you that crispy edge that we all love, that nice little bite. Smash burgers. Smash burgers have recently become really popular in North America. I don't know why, it's always been popular to me. So for these buns, I'm just gonna hit them with some mustard. Oh yeah, there you go. Mustard, Carolina style. And these patties, just about ready. So when you take your patties off, you wanna make sure you get them underneath them so you don't lose that crispiness. Keep that crispiness crispy. There we go, nice patty. There we go. I'll put some mustard on these bad boys again. Now I'm gonna top them with some chili. Chili, each of them. There we go. These burgers are looking super delicious. They are absolutely incredible. Look at them right now. I'm smiling. I'm super happy to get in here and crush them. Some cheese on it. Get that cheese to melt a little bit right before we put it on the bun. Look at that, guys. I know you're hungry, because I'm hungry too. And I got the Carolina blue plate for those Carolina folks. So is it Duke or is it the Tar Heels? Me, I'm a Tar Heel kind of guy. Sorry, Dukies, Tar Heels, let's go. Get that nice cheese right there. Here we go. Here we go. Whew. Now I'm gonna hit it with the coleslaw. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. So this is a little wet, juicy wet coleslaw we got going on here. This burger is an absolute monster. Look at that. Whew. Okay, I'll try this first and I'll let you guys try it. Messy. This is cheeseburgers. Oh man, I messed up. There you have it, the Carolina Slaw Burger. Absolutely one of my favorite burgers. This is Cheeseburgers of the World. Check me out next time while I create another American classic.